Good evening again, everyone. As we reflect on the stories we've heard tonight, it's clear that the journey to healing, to restoring balance in marriages, isn't an easy one, but it is incredibly powerful. We've learned that burnout, emotional exhaustion, and the relentless demands of healthcare work are challenges that no one should face alone. It's a heavy load, but as we've seen through the stories of Emeka, Sarah, and Amina, there is light at the end of the tunnel. And that light comes from a combination of courage, vulnerability, and most importantly, a commitment to healing. But the work doesn't end here. While these stories are inspiring, they are also reminders that there's still much to be done to support healthcare workers, especially in Africa, where resources can often feel scarce and emotional health isn't always prioritized. In this next part, I want to focus on what we, as a community, can do to continue supporting our healthcare workers. This includes creating more access to mental health resources, advocating for policies that prioritize the well-being of healthcare professionals, and fostering environments where self-care is not seen as a luxury, but as a necessity. We also need to recognize that the struggles African nurses face are not isolated. Healthcare workers everywhere are dealing with the same emotional and physical burdens. But we must look to the example set by our African nurses. They are showing us the power of resilience and the importance of community. By coming together, by opening up and sharing stories, we can lift each other up and create lasting change. One thing I've learned from the nurses tonight is that healing begins with action. Whether that's talking to your spouse, seeking therapy, or simply taking time for yourself. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, to think that healing is something that only happens for others. But the truth is, we all have the power to change the course of our own lives. In closing, I want to leave you with one last thought. If you are a healthcare worker, know that your work is invaluable, but your emotional and physical well-being is just as important. It is okay to ask for help. It is okay to say you're struggling, and it is okay to take time for yourself. Your marriage, your relationships, and your happiness are just as important as the lives you touch every day. Together, we can build a supportive environment for healthcare workers that not only values their incredible contributions, but also ensures their emotional health is prioritized. Thank you again for joining us tonight. Let's continue to stand together, to support one another, and to make sure that we're all taking steps toward healing together. Sit tight. Do not forget to like, share, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more. You do not want to miss the next topic. Thank you.